Greatest book sale sa Pilipinas? Well, nandito kami ngayon sa Big Bad Wolf dito sa Trinoma kung saan mabibili nyo ang mga paborito nyong libro sa murang halaga kesa sa retail price. Retail price? Retail price! So tara na, samahan nyo ako sa loob. Tara, samahan nyo ako interviewin ang isa sa mga founder ng Big Bad Wolf.
I'm Terrence from Big Bad Wolf. Alright, today is our first day. We are going to be here from the 7th of August to the 15th of August. I think the Big Bad Wolf is known to be a very, very big, large-scale event. Like for this sale, we are offering up to 2 million books from all different types of genres. So we carry not only one specific genre, we also have children, fiction, non-fiction. And within those genres, we have many more titles to cater to almost everyone who comes for the sale. As you can see, this is quite a large space with a lot of books and almost 2 million books, right? We've only had 48 hours to set this up from scratch. So everything that you see here had to be completed within 48 hours. So we had to truck the books from the warehouse. We had to set up the tables, put all the books on the table, set up the displays, the boards, ensure that our cashier was running, have our safety protocol measures in place, and to give everyone a wonderful experience. What you see here, right, is just one part of the whole entire process. A lot of people do not see the behind the scenes. So, of course, it first off starts from purchasing the books from all our publishers and then shipping the books to our warehouse, processing the books, meaning to say put the price tag on, wrap it nicely in the shrink wrap, put it into the boxes, then ship it over to the location, and then merchandising the books is something that's also very important and people don't realize that it's part of the entire bigger process. I think I'm very, very proud to say that Big Bad Wolf has a book from somebody who is a child or baby from the ages of 1 year old all the way to however old you may be. We try to curate books that are suitable for everyone. Because Big Bad Wolf, we welcome everybody. At the bottom of it all, we are a brand that wants to help bring books to everyone. So please come to Big Bad Wolf. We are here from the 7th to the 15th of August. We have a book for everybody. Most importantly, our mission is to be able to make books accessible to everyone.
Dito sa Big Bad Wolf, hindi na kayo mahihirapan na maghanap ng gusto nyong libro dahil naka-arrange naman siya according to their genre. At kung hindi nyo makita ang hinahanap nyong libro, maaari naman kayong magtanong kila kuya. Napaka-friendly at very approachable pa nila. Kung hinahanap nyo naman ang presyo ng ibang libro, meron silang poster kung saan nakalagay ang mga presyo ng bawat libro. Hindi lang libro ang makikita mo dito. Meron din mga stationaries, notebooks, pins, customized bags, children interactive books na tsak na magugustuhan ng mga mommies para sa kanilang mga anak. At syempre, hindi rin mawawala yung mga food stalls na makikita nyo sa gilid. Ngayon, mag-i-interview naman tayo ng mga kapwa bookworms natin upang malaman ang mga ganap nila dito sa Big Bad Wolf.
Ako po si Carl Joe Piedhan. So far sa experience ko, it's been very good. Lots of collections and selections dito na really affordable for the price. I've been really looking forward to this kind of event. It's a good event for book lovers, mga bookworms, even casual readers na gusto lang mag-try ng mga bagong titles that they don't usually see sa mga regular bookstores.
I'm Danica. Medyo malayo yung Big Bad Wolf last year. So, this is my first time and I'm enjoying it actually. Daming mga new books na ako na-discover.
Nakaka-excite kasi ang daming books. Medyo nakaka-overwhelm kasi ang dami. Pero parang ang hirap mamili. Parang budol.
For this particular event, yes. Usually kasi online lang yung Big Bad Wolf. So, I've bought from them before. Pero dito sa gantong event na on-site, it's my first time. Kasi QC na so medyo malapit sa pinagstayan ko. Kaya, ayun.
Actually, second. Doon una sa Glorieta. So may magkakaroon din pala dito. Tapos, may nahanap ka pa ulit dito. So,
actually, more on sci-fi books. Yes. Nung nakita ko yung sa mga literature, mas naging interested na rin ako.
Ngayon, nung nakita mo siya ngayon?
Yes. Especially the Filipino books and authors. Ang daming mga hindi pa ako kilala.
Halo-halo siya. It's either may fictions, especially mga crime, pero may mga non-fictions din, self-help. So, iba-iba. So, wide naman siya.
Yes, actually, halos lahat ng selection ko ngayon is titles na first time ko lang siya makita. So far, wala pa ako nakikita ng book na talaga I'm looking for. I just keep finding books that I'm interested in. So, ayun, giving it a shot.
I'm interested here sa Sinta,
Nice.
sa Filipino. So, ayun.
Meron siyang ayan na, meron na siyang mga books. Mabilis niya din mabudol.
Actually, madami.
Oo nga, ang dami niya nang nabili. Ay,
Una ko talagang nakita. John
ayan, nice. Like super mura talaga, no? Kaysa sa
Oo.
mga retail, yung mga...
Tsaka mahirap na siyang hanapin. Minsan sa mga
To everyone na are still nag-aalangan pa silang pumunta, visit na kayo guys kasi for sure there's a book here that is specially or perfect for you. So
Attend lang kayo. Actually, it's good. Kahit wala kayong plano or libro na iniisip, you can go here. Mas madami pa kayo madidiscover ng mga new books.
ayun, prepare physically kasi makakailang ikot ka. Like parang bawat ikot mo may makikita kang bago. Tsaka a lot of patience and ayun, enjoy. Siguro.
Gusto ko lang ihalin tulad ang libro sa ating mga buhay. Kung saan ang bawat araw ay katumbas ng isang pahina kung saan iniintay na lang natin itong maisulat. Bawat chapter ay may katumbas na kasiyahan, tagumpay, hamon at aral. Ngunit sa bawat segundo at experience natin ay nadadagdagan ng panibago ang iyong storya. Yakapin mo ang pagbabago sa bawat takbo ng iyong kwento at pahalagahan ang bawat karakter na makikilala mo at huwag kang matakot na ilipat ang pahina. Tandaan mo, ikaw ang author ng istorya mo at sa iyo ito nakasalalay.